What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, I'm new here, but last video you guys did see me build a mock spec of my computer build. I actually got some parts in today, and like I promised, you're gonna get some reviews. I got a case review for you guys, which I'm gonna do. I just went to the store, picked up some snacks for the rest of the build, but stay tuned for the review. It's gonna be pretty amazing. I'll explain to you guys why I got the case, why that specific one, and why I think that one's the best one for what I'm doing and for a lot of what you guys are gonna be doing as well. Alright guys, so I just got back home. Time to start the review. Alright, so the biggest reason why I chose the case is gonna be the looks. So far, packaging is pretty nice, so I'm not worried about anything breaking. But let's see what happens when I look inside. Alright, so I said that this case was beautiful. This is this. Comes with 3 RGB fans. You got your hardware kit. Holding up here, you have a mesh. So it's for dust covers. Make sure nothing gets there. And it's magnetic too, which is pretty cool. So I don't have to worry about sliding it out. And easy cleaning. This is the back, that's where the power supply goes. That was the back, and now this is the front. You got a 1mm mesh, which is pretty cool. The difference between these and other cases in the same price range for mid-sized cases is that a lot of them that you see, like the H150 for example, from NET and ZXT, that one is actually has a glass in the front, and the problem with the glass in the front is you're not getting airflow for the front fans. Here, let me show you guys. Most cases have fans in the front, they suck air in that goes inside the case to circulate it, and if you have a glass mesh instead of an actual mesh, right, you're not really getting any airflow. They look pretty cool, but I don't recommend them. So I'm gonna open the back. You have some screws right here, you have one on the bottom right here. And let's check out the wire management. All the cabling that you have for the control center on the case is up there. Also runs all the wires in the back. You get these cool Velcro straps. Your SSDs go here. Power supply, and you could do normal hard drives here as well. They come in as a dock. And you will see that inside this case right here, where all the tools are, which is pretty cool. Lastly, you can see all your RGBs. But hold on, this is the best part. Always so satisfying. But cool thing is, this case makes it easy to work on. So it just pops out like a normal door. Oh, hold on 1 second. The cool thing is, what makes it easy to use is you can literally just pop this up and remove it. So easy access to everything. Can't see any wires that you saw in the back. This is where you could run your wires through. And this right there is where you run wires from your power supply if you want. Plus more access here for the power supply. Now the second biggest reason why I chose this case is because I'm going to be running AIOs. Now a lot of the mid-size cases, you can't fit two 80mm radiators or even 360mm radiators on the top, right here, right? So I want to fit my radiators up here because I don't want to remove the fans that are in the front right there, right? Because then you just lose airflow. So might as well do it the right way, as opposed to the other cases where you can't do that, especially if you want more cooling. On the i9 that I have, you need at least a 280 if you want to keep it cool, and 360 if you just want to have 3 fans and have more, and it'd be more efficient as well. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. If you like it, subscribe, leave a comment below, and smash the like button because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Well, anyway, I'm gonna do a time lapse of me building the case, which will be the next video, so stay tuned.